Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about VPC, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. What is VPC? VPC will help us to create the isolated dedicated environment in Amazon Virtual Network where we can define our own IP range. We can also map the resources to the specific range. This session would be how to create VPC and subnet and uh, in instances. Let us start to create the VPC. You can click on the services and the dashboard and click VPC and you need to type the VPC name. Let's type VPC and need to enter the IPv4 CID or block. Let me give the number 168.0.0 slash maybe 16 range, and you have two option. I no IPv6 CIDR block, and another one is Amazon provide IPv6 CIDR block. So this one is by default Amazon giving /56, and I'm just leaving with no option. And you have tenancy option, either dedicated or default. I'm just going with the default one. Just create the VPC. Okay, we have created the VPC successfully. Then it should appear here the VPC name and the CIDR range. So now the next step would be to create the subnet. So subnet, yeah, I'm just to click on the subnet and the subnet name. Let me put subnet uh, 1, and the VPC I can select the specific one, and you can see it is status is associated. And then availability zone, you can select the specific one wherever you want. And here just type CADR block again 192.168. Maybe I'll start with 2.0 slash maybe 24, or you can also create maybe this is subnet 1.0 and maybe 2.0 also you can create it. Create one. I'm also going to create one more subnet range. Create subnet 2, VPC, and availability zone 192.168.2.24. Create. So we have created two subnet. The next step, so you can see here subnet 1 and subnet 2, it's available and also mapped with the specific VPC. And you can see the CIDR range 2.024. Similarly for subnet 1, you can see the available IP is 251. And let me go to create the EC2. The objective would be to map the EC to the specific IP range. So now I'm launching the EC2 instance and I will go with the free edition. Let me select Windows and just okay, configuration. Here the important steps. So I'm just going with one instance, and the network you can choose a specific one which we have created. And you can see there are two subnet which we have created. You can select any one of those. So this will help you to create if you create availability zone. So now I'm just leaving our subnet 1. So you have available IP address is 251, and you have multiple option when you create EC2 instance. But today focus would be to map the specific IP range, and the rest of the option we'll be discussing later the next session. I'm just going to create as it is with the default option what we have selected, the subnet 1 and the VPC. review and create. So you can see, so I create the key pair, acknowledge and launch. The T2 micro it's creating, so it's done. So we'll go to the instance. It's keep on creating, pending. Status is pending. So in the meantime, here you can see here T2 micro instant type, and the specific one you can see the private IP is 192.168.1.175. It gives the available IP rate. It also automatically detect the IP range which is available in the subnet. So because we have chosen the subnet 1, so 1 range. If we choose subnet 2, it comes as a 2 dot IP range. And you can also change as the name in 1, VM1. You just click in. So today we discuss about what is VPC and how to create VPC and a subnet, and you can create multiple subnet in the specific more than one subnet in the specific VPC. And also we discussed about how to launch the EC2 instance by specifying the specific subnet range what we define it. Thanks everyone.